Welcome to the Hospitality and Catering Options presentation. I am Mrs. Harvey and I am the lead teacher for this subject. During this presentation, I will give you an overview of the aims of the course, objectives, assessment summary, and some examples of student work and student voice. First of all, this course is a Level 1 and Level 2 Hospitality and Catering course. The WeJect Level 1-2 award in hospitality and catering has been designed to support learners in schools who want to learn about this vocational sector and the potential it can offer them for their careers or further study. It is suitable as a foundation for further study. The further study will provide learners with the opportunity to develop a range of specialisms and general skills that would support their progression to employment. Employment in hospitality and catering can range from waiting staff, receptionists and catering assistants to chefs, hotel and bar managers and food technologists in food manufacturing. The Level 1 and 2 hospitality and catering objectives are to demonstrate effective and safe cooking skills in planning, preparing and cooking a variety of food commodities while using different cooking techniques and equipment, to understand the relationship between diet, nutrition and health, to understand the economic, environmental, ethical and social cultural influences on food availability, production processes, diet and health choices, and to understand and explore the hospitality and catering industry, the job roles and the different types of employment used to support the industry. The hospitality and catering assessment takes the form of a Unit 1, which is about hospitality and the catering industry. It's worth 40% of the overall marks, and it's a thorough assessment by written examination, which is about an hour and 20 minutes long. Unit 2 is hospitality and catering in action, which is worth 60% or 120 marks. It's non-examination assessment, it's internally assessed and externally moderated. It involves 12 hours of teaching time, which includes 4 hours of a practical exam. The practical exam is a 2-dish meal for 2 people with accompaniments. So the Unit 1, the hospitality and catering industry, the weighting is 40%, it is 80 marks, and the time is an hour and 20 minutes. The area of content is understanding the environment in which the hospitality and catering industry providers operate in principles of nutrition, to understand how hospitality and catering provisions operate, to meet the health and safety requirements of cooking and food preparation, to look at how food can cause ill health, and how the hospitality and catering provision is used to meet specific requirements. The Unit 2 is hospitality and catering in action, which is more practical and less theory. It's around preparing, cooking and presenting dishes of different types. It takes approximately 12 hours. It can be graded as a Level 1 pass, a Level 2 pass, a Level 2 merit or a Level 2 distinction. On this slide you can see some images of products which have been made in the past in hospitality and catering. This is the non-examined assessment side of the course. On this slide you can see what students say about the course. There are a range of career opportunities that follow on from hospitality and catering Level 1 and Level 2. And on this slide you can see a few examples. So thank you for watching the presentation. If you have any questions, please email Mrs. Harvey at jharvey@bradford.trinitymat.org and I'll be happy to get back in touch with you with an answer. Thank you very much for listening.